So I just want to preface this video by saying make sure you watch this entire video through. Just a fair warning. After a massive 55% correction and following the stock for weeks on end ever since they went public last year, and after releasing many videos on my channel about Palantir stock and discussing how I thought it was overvalued at $40 per share, $30 per share, $25 per share, the stock has finally come down in recent days to the low $20 per share mark. Many people argue with me in the comments on my previous videos saying how I don't understand this business, how the valuations that I'm looking at just don't make sense. I'm completely wrong on this and I should buy in ASAP. And mind you, this was when the stock was like pushing $30+, hitting $40 per share. And I know there's going to be a common argument in this video as well saying, well, yeah, the entire market was down, Nick, so obviously Palantir was down as well. Guys, Palantir stock was down a lot more than just the market, and if you had a good diversified portfolio, you probably would have not even felt too much during this last month here as tech stocks and highly valued stocks sold off. And I want to say this once again, I say this in every video if possible with Palantir, I love the company. I think the company is actually really interesting. The technology is interesting. Their mission is interesting. They have a very good approach to what they're doing, but valuations just didn't make sense to me. I thought, at least back then, that the market cap just didn't make sense what the business did today, what the business is going to do next year, a few years from now. That's why I just never bought in. And in one of my most recent videos about Palantir, I shared my projections with this. I walked through my modeling with this with you guys, and I talked about their price of sales and what it would be like based on some estimates the company themselves have provided us. And if you're a follower of the channel, you know that I like to buy high growth plays when a forward price of sales is around a 10 or so. But you know what, guys? Sometimes valuations just don't matter. It just doesn't matter. You like the business, you buy it. Who cares if it's overvalued, right? You just put your money in, you just have faith, you listen to their story, and you just go along for the ride. If the YouTube comments have taught me anything, it's that valuations just don't matter. It just doesn't. Why waste time valuing businesses? Now, from a video I released back on Feb 16, like about a month and a half ago, I got comment after comment roasting me, telling me how I'm wrong, how I should buy in, how I just don't understand the company. Take a look at some of these comments. Jonathan Armin said that maybe overhyped stocks are not fooling anyone as they once did. There's no such thing as hype stocks anymore, apparently. Zia's Pizza said my opinion was vague and ARK bought a ton of Palantir, so I should be buying Palantir as well. ARK's buying. Sitarang07 said they're buying the dip and we can buy Palantir stock from them at $40 per share. Yikes. And then we had this investment channel, I think, Griffin Investing, presumably an investment channel, saying that I'm wrong and I need to do more research on the business. And since this video dropped, the stock Palantir dropped another 26% from already being down massively. And yes, I know, like I said, the entire market was down, but sure as heck was not down this much. So after reading all these comments over and over again on my Palantir videos, I get Palantir comments on videos that aren't even related to Palantir. That's how much you guys love this stock. And you know what? I'm going to give into the hype. I'm going to buy in. I'm going to ride the hype here as well. The message from the comments was, who cares if you don't understand what this company does? Just know that they're such an important company in the future. They're going to be much bigger. Their valuation just doesn't matter today because they'll justify it at some point in the future, maybe a few decades from now. And when you have big name investors like Cathie Wood buying into this stock heavy, just don't ask questions, just buy, just follow them, blindly follow them, because they know best. They are the experts here. If you didn't get the memo, guys, in 2021, if ARK buys something, you buy it. If ARK sells it, you sell it. There's no questions. You can't ever not follow that rule. That is a golden rule here, apparently, in 2021. I just got the memo recently. So guys, after all of this consideration of, should I buy Palantir, should I not? Constant comments telling me I should buy, I'm missing a boat, this is the future Tesla, this is the next big thing in the stock market. Thrown in the white towel, I'm gonna look at Palantir stock. In fact, I did buy Palantir stock. I'm not gonna look at valuations anymore for this business because it just doesn't make sense. I'm just gonna give in to, like, you know, the hype that everyone says it's going to be a good company in the future. So how could everyone in the stock market be wrong? It's definitely gonna be a big winner over the long term. And I'm just gonna follow the herd here, guys. It's enough resistance for me. I think I need to hop on board here. So how much Palantir did I buy? Kind of went pretty heavy on this one. It's one of my largest positions now. I threw in as much capital as I could on this stock. And you know what? I've seen so many videos saying Palantir is gonna 5x and 10x. So like, I mean, if I threw in 100,000, that could be like a $10 million investment in a few years. So why wouldn't I just do that? I had to come to this realization. I'm sorry. I'm just gonna kind of cross my fingers a bit here and just hope it works out. It's the first time I'm actually buying blindly on ignoring the fundamentals. So I'm really hoping you guys are right on this one, okay? I'm trusting you guys here. So really, guys, Palantir stock, the stock's going to the moon. This is the next Tesla. This company's gonna change the world. This company, it's just a company you need to own in your portfolio. And I just can't miss out anymore. So anyways, guys, hope this quick update video was useful. Again, I just wanted to provide you this ASAP because I didn't want you guys, you know, being in the dark here with my brand new purchase here. And if you actually stuck around to the end of the video like I asked, thank you, thumbs up, and happy April Fools. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to invest positively, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.